Have you ever found yourself admiring the beautiful Nautica condominiums building and wondering to yourself, what would the view be like in one of these front suites right here?
Well, you're in luck because we have this spectacular view and more all on today's episode. So Scotty, here we are again today, back in familiar stomping ground for us, Nautica condominiums. Why don't you tell everyone just what makes this building so special?
This is one of the most premier buildings in the entire city of Barrie, and it all comes down with the location. We are located directly up the center of Kempenfelt Bay, which puts us in an incredible location for all your day-to-day amenities. You're a 5-minute walk into downtown Barrie with some of the finest dining, shopping, and now grocery that this city has to offer. On the other hand, you're directly across the road from Centennial Beach and over into South Shore as well, which means you have a 10-mile walking path directly outside your front door. I can't think of a better location when it comes to lifestyle.
That's right, Scotty. They certainly knew what they were doing when they built these buildings right on Barrie's beautiful waterfront. Now let's talk about these buildings. Again, this is a premier destination in all of Barrie for waterfront living. It's easy to see why. It feels like a hotel in here. You have a concierge right in behind us here and an incredible amenities package. It starts with the second level outdoor terrace space, which feels like a park. So again, if you're going from a home or you're used to some green space, you have that right in condo living here, which is truly fantastic. Then of course you have all the must-haves: pool, sauna, hot tub, as well as a gym, party room, library, games room, guest suites. The list continues to go on when it comes to amenities. This has it all.
Now, an amenities list like this in the city of Barrie is rare. Now, speaking of rare, the suite we have for you today very rarely comes available. In fact, it's been a number of years since one has hit the market. We are located directly on the front of this building. There's only 7 of them in each tower, which means you are buying an irreplaceable piece of real estate today. Now let's head upstairs and we'll show you what we're talking about. Welcome inside the coveted Barbados model. Now, from the second you walk through the front door, as you saw, you have spectacular views directly up Kempenfelt Bay. They are second to none. Now, this model flows over 1,012 square feet. It's 1 bedroom plus a den. Now, this den offers a ton of versatility for you. In this case, we've got the Murphy bed as well as a home office. It also functions beautifully as that formal dining space or perhaps a full-time second bedroom if that's what you're after. And you've got a convenient 2-piece bathroom directly across the hall. And then we walk into the kitchen and it is wide open concept. You've got the beautifully updated white shaker cabinetry. You've got the granite countertops, undermount sink. You got Frigidaire professional grade appliances, all with the view that you have to see to believe.
Now don't be distracted by this incredible view you see in behind me here. We're gonna get to that part as well. But after you finish preparing that meal in your chef's kitchen, you're gonna love overflowing into this huge living space that I'm standing in right now. Now we know that a lot of people purchasing these units are downsizers, leaving homes and coming to condo living for the first time and always worried about having to sacrifice on certain items. Well, I can tell you, you don't have to do that here. The square footage is perfectly comfortable. As you can see, you can fit an entire living space in behind me here as well. If you wanted to share this with dining space, you have the room to do that. Now let's talk about the fit and finish throughout this condo. We have engineered hardwood floors and tile throughout, so super easy maintenance. 9-foot ceilings in this space, which completely open it up. And again, that absolutely gorgeous view straight up the middle of Kempenfelt Bay.
Now this primary suite is gonna leave an impression from start to finish, and it starts with the spectacular ensuite that comes along with it. You've got a glass walk-in shower, a jacuzzi tub, and a beautiful marble vanity. Then not one, but two closets that all spill over into your bedroom space here. And of course, the star of the show is this beautiful view up Kempenfelt Bay once again. Now the beauty of this one is we're facing directly east, which means you have spectacular sunrises first thing in the morning right from your very own bed.
So Scotty, when it comes to waterfront living in the city of Barrie, Nautica condominiums is certainly one of the premier developments. That's because of just how much thought and intention went into building these buildings. Every unit in here was built with a view of the spectacular waterfront, but in saying that, very few of them were built right on the front of the building like this. Take a look in behind me here. It truly doesn't get much better. What don't we have a view of?
Exactly. This one is truly the best of the best from a location perspective. If you want views into downtown with those evening city lights, you've got it. Maybe you want to see the Barrie City Marina, Centennial Beach, or over into South Shore, you've got it all, not to mention those spectacular sunrises I mentioned before. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know condos, and for more information on this listing and others, check out our website.